Oh, brother. When I see that nail bag, I know there's some work that's ready to be done. And hey, it's raining outside, and I've been working on my patio, my stone patio outside in the backyard. It's coming along really good. If you haven't been watching that, you might want to go to my channel, to my playlist, and look for patio repairs, or how to repair a patio, or how to redo an old, tired, old 17-year-old patio. I don't know what I'm going to title it just yet. But today, I thought, hey, since it's raining outside, I can't work on that, I'll do something inside. And I've got just the thing to show you, and I don't know if this has ever happened to you, and it should never happen. It should never happen. You know, if any electrician knew what they were doing, this would never be an issue. I've got an upside down light switch, and I'm gonna fix it. There's a way I can fix it. Upside down? How did you know it was upside down, Joe? Well, I just went into this bedroom down here, and I've got ready to turn it on. I could tell it was wrong. See, most light paddle switches like this, down is off, up is on, off, on, off, on. Okay? I go into this bedroom down here, and I'm like, okay, here we've got some lights by the bed. Now look at the switch. Should be on right now, right? Here's the paddle. There. That's on. That should be off, on. And you know what? I'm going to check one other thing. And I don't think there's a three-way switch in here. Sometimes when you see something like that, you look for a three-way switch. But this switch should go outside. And I'm sure it's outside. This is off, on. And that's outside for a light. Okay? That does not affect this over here. Oh, you know what? Oh, good grief. I think I'm wrong. I'm just seeing something here. I was about ready to do something there. Look what I see over there. Look what I see. I forgot that was there. See that? I think that switch is for these lights too. Look at that. Look at that. I forgot all about that. Here I was bad-mouthing the electricians from 18 years ago. Now this is right. See, now it's off and it's on. That's because that switch was flip-flopped. And these are called three-way switches. So whenever you think you've got a switch that's upside down or something, or if you think it's a single pole and you're going to replace it because maybe your switch is bad or something like that, and you start messing with it and you think, okay, something's not going on. Check to make sure that it's not a three-way switch. A three-way switch means that you can control the lights not only at one location, but two locations. That's called a three-way switch, light switch. So if you had an issue with this, or the switch was broken and it's messing up and it's not really turning on, or the light's flickering, or this thing, you can hardly hear it click on and off, and you think, oh yeah, okay, I'll just go to the store and get a single pole light switch just for this one location. You come back, you put it in, and it doesn't really work right because it's a three-way. I was looking forward to making a video too of it. And hey, oh, that is for something else over there. And it's funny, we had a, see, in here there's no light up in the ceiling, is there? And you've got two switches here, one here and one here, and I think these are three ways that operate the bottom of an electrical outlet. Okay? And lots of times you'll have bedrooms like that, where, or maybe you won't have three-way. I'm not sure why they have three-way switches. They've got two switches here, all that control one electrical outlet. Usually, in that case, usually it's just a single pole switch that controls half of an electrical outlet. You know, the bottom half or the top half, and you plug in a light for it and all that kind of stuff. Usually you find that in a bedroom next to the bed, you know, for a side lamp, kind of like this. But they decided not to do that exactly. They decided to put a three-way switch here, which was nice. And I'm glad I looked over here because I almost missed it, didn't I? Well, I guess I won't be making a video of replacing that upside down light switch after all. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I guess I'm gonna have to find something else to do today. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I can mark that one off my list. Mommy will be happy.